It is through ferns that one can describe the essence of shade. Ferns are one of the oldest groups of plants on Earth and exist since Jurassic era. They are the most primitive vascular plants which produce spores for reproduction. The indicators of moisture, ferns clean the ecosystem and are good nitrogen fixating agents. They prevent soil erosion, remove pollutants from the environment, and provide microhabitats as well as shelter to small animals. But today, habitat loss, deforestation, livestock grazing, agricultural intensification, and overexploitation by human beings poses a serious threat to many fern species, and their conservation is the need of the hour. To ensure better protection for these species, India's first and the largest open-air fernery has been developed in Uttarakhand's Ranikhet town. Sprawling over an area of 4 acres, this fernery is home to around 150 species of ferns, most of which are endemic to Uttarakhand hills. Some hold medicinal value, while some are threatened species that demand care and conservation. This center has been developed by the research wing of Uttarakhand Forest Department for conservation of fern species and also to create awareness about their ecological role and promote further research. Ferns require shade and moisture to grow and propagate. Developed in a shaded area, the fernery provides adequate moisture to ferns. The fernery has a mix of species and houses several rare and threatened species like tree fern. Only a few plants of this species have been left in the wild, and it is considered to be one of the most ancient species of fern. Tree fern was the main food for dinosaurs during the Jurassic era, as its stems are rich in starch. The whole part of the plant is used for prevention of graying of hair and as general hair tonic. Chinese ladderbrake, a hyperaccumulator of arsenic. It has been praised for its potential to remediate soils contaminated with arsenic. It is also used as an ornamental plant. The fernery houses various species of medicinal and edible ferns like Hansraj and Lingura. Hansraj is an important herb in Ayurveda as well as the Tibetan system of medicine. It is used for the treatment of cold, headache, hydrophobia, and inflammation of the chest. Lingura is probably the most commonly consumed fern. It is often harvested from the wild for its edible young leaves. Lingura is considered highly nutritious and is a popular food item in the hills of Uttarakhand. In addition to these, there are many beautiful ornamental and air-purifying species of ferns like silver lace fern, golden fern, and bird nest fern. Besides boasting various fern species, the fernery also displays interesting facts about ferns, like reference of invisible seeds of ferns in Shakespeare's play Henry IV, and the craze of ferns known as pteridomania in the Victorian era. The fern, gifted by nature, needs to be preserved today. This fernery encompasses the wonderful world of fern species.